welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcy and today I will be doing individual crochet locks on my client. They're also known as soft locks. So if you would like to learn how to install soft locks in your hair or someone else's hair, please stay tuned. If you need help learning how to plait your hair or plait someone else's hair, please hit the card above so that you can watch my video on how to plait for beginners. To do the method that I am doing today, you will be required to have spring twist hair and a crochet lock. So what we would do is open one end of the crochet lock, stick the crochet hook through the lock, and hook the spring twist hair onto the crochet hook and pull it through. Here you go again. You can see that I am holding taut one side of the spring twist hair. So I'm holding on to one side of the spring twist hair and pulling the other side through the lock. This way, the lock and the spring twist hair is now one. The next thing that I will do is crochet the spring twist hair that is attached to the lock through the base of my client's plait and pull the spring twist hair through and proceed to wrap that spring twist hair around itself and the lock. Here I will show you. First, you will make sure that the latch is open. Next, stick the hook through the base of the client's hair. Attach the spring twist side of the lock onto the hook. Make sure that the latch is locked and pull through. Now you will see that with the spring twist hair, I am pulling one side to make the other side shorter. I'm trying to match up my client's hair length to the spring twist hair. Then I will proceed to wrap around the base of my client's hair and proceed to go down the lock, covering the plait and the spring twist hair. This also gives a distressed look onto the lock, which also makes it look more realistic. Hey girl, what up? I'm so happy to know that you made it this far into the video. If you haven't by now, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified next time I drop a new video.